In today's session we are going to cover how to click this checkboxes. So this is how it is. So we can click multiple checkboxes at the same time. See here I am giving you one of the example to click this checkbox as Sunday. So I just copy pasted. I think I already copied. Let me copy this URL again. So first of all we need to launch this URL. So I'm going to perform this test through the Playwright with the TypeScript. Await page dot go to. I'm going to copy this URL into this. You can see I pasted the URL. Now I'm going to locate this locator. So you can see this Sunday is a locator. You can see the value is Sunday. You can see, and on the similar lines you can see the value for the Monday. You can see this is being highlighted. So I am using this in the browser. So how are you going to launch this? Await page dot locator input input value equal to Sunday. I'm going to click this one. I'm going to halt this execution for a few seconds so that you can see the result. Page dot wait for timeout 5 seconds. So this is how it is. So so I will start the execution. So for this one, npx playwright test checkbox and project equal to chromium. So here you can see checkbox is the file name where I written the test case. Headed means that it is going to execute your test case in the browser, and and here it is going to which browser are going to execute. I have indicated through the project name. So project is chromium, so it will execute your test case in chromium. So if you want your test case to be executed in all the browsers, don't specify any name, just specify only headed. And if you want to specify any specific browser, suppose you want to execute your test case in a specific browser, you can specify Firefox, or you can also specify the WebKit. So here in this execution I have specified I'm going to execute my test case in the Chromium browser. So just wait for a few seconds, then it will start our execution. So here it started the execution in one test and using the one worker process. So you can see Chromium, the name is browser, and which is the path of execution. You can see src test checkbox is the file name where we already specify, and this is the title of the our test case checkbox button click. Now it will launch our browser in 5 seconds. Look like it got failed, so just wait for a few seconds. I think it got failed to launch the browser due to some reason, you can see. So we will do one thing. We'll terminate the execution and let us relaunch the execution once again and let's see. So it's launched the browser successfully. Now you can see, and you can see it click the Sunday as the checkbox. You can see now our test case is passed. So just wait 50 seconds. So you can see our test case got passed and it clicked the checkbox. So you can see our test case got passed. So initially it was not passed for the first time. So when I re-executed test case, so it got passed. So this is how you can apply the same logic for other checkboxes. For thanks for watching this.